In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for the Adcreative.ai affiliate program. Okay, just come to this URL, adcreative.ai/affiliate. And what you can also do is just go to their homepage, scroll all the way to the bottom, and click on affiliate, right? You'll come to this page, just click on join Adcreative affiliate program. And then what you need to do is basically fill in a form. So they're basically partnered with partnerstack.com. Okay. And that will basically help facilitate the affiliate program. Now, if you come down here, you will see that they will need links to your website, or if you have social media pages or accounts, you'll need to link it here so they know that you actually can drive traffic to this affiliate program. And now you have to also enter, for example, an action plan or how you plan to bring this traffic to Adcreative. And of course, you need to put in your business name, email, first and last name. So let me go ahead and fill out a form. All right, so this is just an example of what I filled in. First name, Will, last name, Hunter. This is my email, business name, Will Hunter Productions. And I provided them a link to our YouTube channel right here. Okay. And I basically told them that we plan on creating YouTube tutorials that will document this tool, right? Adcreative, and we'll bring organic, end of the funnel traffic, which basically means people who are searching for a very, very specific solution. And once they know that this tool can provide this solution, they will basically buy the tool right there and there because they know this tool can do what it wants to do, right? What they are expecting it to do. And we will funnel this traffic to Adcreative through the affiliate link. Then you can go ahead and submit this application. Of course, this is how I will do it. You can go ahead and customize it according to your, account or page or whatever your website style is. Okay. And then PartnerStack will, they will basically review your application and they'll send it to adcreative.ai. If they accept you, then you will get a referral link to go ahead and promote. And it's really that easy and simple, guys. So you just have to wait for an email from them.